Hey guys, Anthony here with a review on Monstroid2, which is a multi-purpose WordPress theme, but it's so much more than just a regular WordPress theme. In this video, I'm not going to cover the specifics of installing, customizing, and building a website. I'll cover all of this in separate tutorials. Instead, in this video, I'm going to cover some of the key features and functionality of Monstroid2. First of all, it's WordPress 5 and Gutenberg ready. It comes packed with over 40 website templates, also known as skins, in different niches, from fashion to construction, corporate to restaurant, and so many more. You can check the live demos of these templates in the description section. Additionally, you will get over 300 pre-designed pages in different categories like About, Services, Team, and others, and 500 plus pre-designed sections. For example, here is the popular slider section. This is the portfolio section. And here is the accordion section. You can even apply cool-looking text animations like these. You'll find a variety of useful widgets to help you build your website. For example, these are animated boxes. This is another cool one, the accordion images widget. And here is the advanced carousel, and there are tons more. Also included in the Monstroid2 theme pack are the versatile and popular Jet plugins. There is no way I can cover all that's included in the Jet plugins, but there are 40 plus modules, and I'll be creating a separate video dedicated to showcasing some of these key Jet plugins. One of the cool things is that Monstroid2 is built to work seamlessly with the free version of Elementor, which is among the most popular page builders in the market. When you edit with Elementor, you will see this modular constructor, also known as the magic button, and this is indeed where all the magic happens. So if you want to build your website from scratch or use pre-designed website templates, you can easily do it with the Monstroid2 multi-purpose WordPress theme from TemplateMonster. Bear in mind that because Monstroid2 is packed with so much, there is a slight learning curve. Also, you will need to know how to use Elementor. But the good news is that you'll find detailed documentation and tutorials to help you every step of the way. Also, I'll be creating many more Monstroid2 tutorials, so feel free to check in. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Check the link in the description section to learn more about Monstroid2, and thanks for watching.